2 plus 2 gives us 4, and 3 times 4 is equal to 12, and 12 divided by 12 is equal to just 1. But this answer is not correct because according to the order of operation, PEMDAS, which I will write here, so according to the rule PEMDAS, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponent, M and D stands for multiplication or division, A and S stand for addition or subtraction. According to this rule, the first thing to solve is parentheses, right? Parentheses are the first thing to solve, and it is priority number 1, and priority number 2 is exponent, and priority number 3 is multiplication or division, and priority number 4 is addition or subtraction. Here is where most people get wrong. They think multiplication comes before division, therefore multiplication is the first thing to solve. But that is wrong. Multiplication or division have equal priority, right? They have equal priority, and if we encounter them in equation, we have to solve the equation left to right, right? That is the right order to solve the equation, and that is going to be the answer, the correct way to do the math. So let's go back into our problem. So here we have parentheses, addition, and multiplication, right? The addition is inside the parentheses. So we have a division as well. So 2, first we have to do the parentheses, and 2 plus 2 gives us 4. And the problem becomes 12 divided by 3 times 4. And now we don't do the multiplication, right? So we have to do the division, not because division has higher priority than multiplication, but because division comes first, and we have to do the equation left to right, like we said. So we have to start by dividing, and then we are going to multiply. So that is what we are going to do, and 12 divided by 3 gives us 4, and 4 times 4 is equal to 60. So the final answer to this question is 60.